Hello everyone. Today we are going to quickly unbox a pair of Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cables. These are the braided type. They sell on Amazon for $12.50. I'll leave a link in the description down below. These are highly rated on Amazon and they're supposed to be of good quality. These are the space gray. They're available in 4 different colors. So I will test them out and let you all know if they stand up to the abuse of everyday use. Okay, so we're about to test out the Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, and there it is.